Hi guys, it's Belle over at Rustico, and today I'm going to be doing our July plan with me, and here's a little sneak peek of what it looks like, so stay tuned. As I was planning the month of July, I chose more of a bright and positive theme. July is one of my favorite times of the month because I usually spend it traveling or at the pool or hiking, and I'm usually just basking in the sun, so that's why I chose a sunshine theme. Right now I'm going in with a orange Prismacolor pencil to give it more of a soft, subtle look, and I'm outlining the edges with a Tombow marker to give the edges a defined, sharp look. And I love Tombow markers so much because they can make anything just look pretty. On the left side of the cover page, I am filling in a quote that says good things are going to happen, and I feel like 2020 has been a hard year for all of us, and sometimes I catch myself in this negative train of thought, and it's just a good reminder for me to stay positive and know that good things are going to happen and that the sun always shines after a storm. And right now I'm drawing in clouds at the top, and they kind of look like ornaments or car fresheners, but it's kind of cute. And on the left side, I'm doing a mood tracker. And since it's July, I figured I'd do something to celebrate America's birthday, so I drew fireworks. And right now I'm going in with stencils and doing stars, and that's how I'll track my mood, and I'll fill it in depending on the mood that I'm in. And yeah, so if I am happy, I will fill it in with red. If I'm just feeling all right, it'll be a navy blue, and if I'm sad, it'll be a more light blue. And on this page, I'm doing a habit tracker, and I feel like it's so important to know your habits and keep track of them and to constantly improve. So I'm actually really excited about this page because I've never done it before. Some of my goals for the month are to eat healthy and exercise, and I feel like I really try focusing on living a healthy lifestyle, so I'm excited about that. A couple other goals that I have is no spending, and I really want to learn a new language, so I want to spend more time on Duolingo. And two other goals that I have is self-care and 8 hours of sleep. And on this page, I am doing a gratitude page in the form of a sun, and I'm drawing sunbeams. And I saw this idea on Pinterest, and I thought it was a really good idea and really cute. And right now I'm filling in things that I'm grateful for to give you more of an idea of how the finished page will look. And on the right side, I'm doing a summer bucket list. I always make a summer bucket list because I have so many plans for the summer, and I want to make sure that I do all of them. So a couple of those things are go to a drive-in movie or make s'mores, and yeah. So here's my cover page, and I love the sunshine theme with it. Here's my mood tracker and habit tracker. I didn't really stick with the color theme for the habit tracker, but it still looks good to me. And on the next page, I did a gratitude and summer bucket list, and that is my July spread for the month. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys next month for the August plan with me. Stay safe and healthy.